How to turn off post view history on your TikTok account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like, subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just open TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening, you will just go down here on your profile. Open your profile, then go to this three line here, click and go to settings and privacy, click again, and then go to the second option, privacy, click, and then go down to post views, click, and now you will turn off this option by going here on this blue icon, then turn off like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.